Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, our today's topic is possessive pronoun and this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8. Okay, so dear students, let's start our today's topic. Okay, look dear students, here I have written the topic possessive pronoun. So before starting the class, at first I am going to say something about possessive pronoun. Look dear students, here I have written some examples, some exercises. Okay, now I am going to read this. Look here, number 1, this ball is mine. Look dear students, here I have underlined the word mine. Number 2, is that bicycle yours? Here I have underlined the word yours. Number 3, this ball is his. Here I have underlined the word his. Number 4, this dress is hers. Here I have underlined the word hers. And number 5, that car is ours. Here I have underlined the word ours. The number 6, that house is theirs. Here I have underlined the word theirs. Now look dear students, the word mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Okay dear students, I am going to say this again. The word mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. All of these words are a pronoun that show who or what owns something. And these pronouns are called possessive pronoun. Okay dear students, so what we have learned from this example, possessive pronouns. These possessive pronouns are used to show that something belongs to someone. Okay, so possessive pronouns are used to show that something belongs to someone. Look, this ball is mine. Whose ball is this? This ball is mine. Okay, so what is possessive pronoun? So we have learned that possessive pronouns are used to show that something belongs to someone. And listen dear students, these possessive pronouns never placed before nouns. Okay, now today I am going to read the lesson. This is lesson number 6. Okay, at first I am going to read the topic. Look, today is Pets Day in school. The children have brought their pets to school. Now Shangita said what? This puppy belongs to me. It is mine. Is that kitten yours? Then Ravi said, no, I think it belongs to Pradeep. It must be his. Then Sarita said, no, it is not Pradeep's. It belongs to that girl wearing glasses. It is hers. The Jacob twins, this turtle belongs to us. It is ours. Who does this parrot belong to? Ravi. It belongs to the Khan brothers. It is theirs. Look dear students, here these colored words, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, all of these words are the example of possessive pronoun. Look dear students, here we will find a chart. You will find a chart in your book. Look dear students, here first person pronouns possessive form is what? Mine, ours. Dear students, we know that first person are who? I, we, all of these examples are first person. First person are what? I, we. And these first person pronouns possessive form is what? Mine, ours. Then second person pronoun what? All of us we know that second person is what? You. These second person pronouns possessive form is what? Yours. Then third person pronoun, we know that third persons are what? He, she, it, they. And these third person pronouns possessive form is what? His, hers, theirs, its. Okay dear students, now we will do exercise 1 from our book. Okay, tick the correct words to complete these sentences. Number 1, the robot belongs to Mohit. It is he or his or him. Which one is the correct answer here? Of course, dear students, his. Here the correct answer is what? His. You have to put a tick on this word. On this word, you have to put a tick. So here the correct answer is what? His. Okay. The robot belongs to his. Now look number 2. These files belong to the principal, Miss Manon. They are, dear students, which one is the correct answer here? Yes, I think you can say this properly. Here the correct answer will be hers. Okay, they are hers. Now number 3. These books are ours or our or us. Which one? Yes, the correct answer is what? Ours. So we have to put a tick on this word, okay? On this possessive pronoun, ours. We got them from the bookshop. Then number 4. Grandfather is ill. These medicines are him or he or his. Which one is the correct answer here, dear students? Yes, these medicines are his. The correct answer is what? His. The correct answer is what? His. Okay. Then number 5. These toys belong to the Jacob twins. They are, look here, which answer is the correct here? They are theirs. Then number 6. Sunita is playing with the doll, but it is not her or hers or she. Which one is the correct answer here? Of course, hers. Okay. Sunita is playing with the doll. So here, but it is not hers. The correct answer is what? Hers. You have to put a tick on this word. Okay. On this possessive pronoun. Then it is me or mine or mine. Which one is the correct answer here? Of course, the correct answer is mine. It is mine. Okay, dear students, now I am going to read exercise number 2. Complete these sentences with possessive pronouns from the box. Look, dear students, here you will get some clues. Okay, some possessive pronouns in this box. And by taking help from these possessive forms, possessive pronouns, you have to fill these gaps. Okay. Now number 1. This bag belongs to Betsy. It is hers. Okay, first one has done for you. It is hers. Then second number. Look, dear students, here I have written all of these questions answer. Okay. You have to learn this at your home. Number 2. These are Madhav's books. They are his. Here you have to write his. Then number 3. This is your comb. It is yours. Then number 4. This is Rekha's bangle. It is hers. Then number 5. These are our flowers. They are ours. Okay. Look here. Pronoun here. Look here, dear students. Here the word or pronoun our will be what? What will be its possessive pronoun? Ours. Okay. Then look. These are their chairs. They are theirs. Then number 7. This is my bag. This bag is mine. Okay. So here you have to write mine. Number 8. Look at my cat's basket. It always sleeps in its basket. So here you have to write here its. Okay. Look, dear students, now please look at your SW work. Your SW will be exercise 2 from 1 to 5. Okay. You have to do exercise 2 from 1 to 5 as your SW, and you have to submit this on next Saturday. Dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz everyone.